Hello everyone, welcome to English Shorthand classes. Exercise 2. Get ready for the dictation. Start. They pertained only to the regional issues and particularly to the issues relating to their areas. Stop. If we took the overall picture painted by various members in their local areas, a national picture emerges. Stop. Members have criticized the delayed clearance and starting of the projects and also about funding in certain aspects. Stop. Members demanded that certain projects should be treated as national projects. Stop. There are also allegations made by some members about the corruption at the final stage by the engineers in certain projects. Stop. Grave references were made to the lag in the potential created and the potential utilized with huge investments and managements. Stop. There were references with regard to floods and droughts and their management, the money spent by way of relief and safety measures, water logging by misutilization and misuse of water and excess use of water. Stop. They suggested certain steps with regard to the forest area development and lapses and gains. Stop. Some friends also referred to the water rates and their recovery by the states, but amongst the serious issues that were raised, one was for resolving of the pending disputes. Stop. गाइस, अगर आपने कोर्ट का एग्ज़ाम भरा होगा और आपका पहला पेपर क्लियर है, सेकंड की आप तैयारी करना चाहते हो, शॉर्टहैंड आपकी अभी स्पीड नहीं है 80 तक, तो मुझे टेलीग्राम में लिंक दे दूँगी डिस्क्रिप्शन में, मुझे डीएम कर सकते हो अगर आपको तैयारी करनी है।